obviously when you get to the borrowing stage, and when it comes to borrowing, it kind of is up to the lender, right? And so I can't think of lots of scenarios where it makes a real big difference between an LLC and a C corp. I can't give you numerous examples or say that it's dynamically different. But yes, as a company becomes larger and they tend to normally have more of a corporate structure, then those C-level executives and those people on the ownership team can at some point become less likely to need to PG their financing, less likely to need personal credit checks. And in the meantime, this thing that we always talk about separating your personal and business credit while you're building, because you need to get to 10 and 20 million and beyond to be able to have that corporate structure and be working in a middle market environment with banks to where you can avoid the PGs for your funding. But all of the covenants of those loans are going to wrap you up into all kinds of restrictions that small business owners aren't accustomed to getting caught up in, right? When you move to a middle market banking environment and you're no longer, those of you who aren't familiar, small business lending is down here. And then as you get larger, you move up into what's called middle market banking. And there's no unsecured financing for middle market companies. You're not going to get unsecured loan. You might get a loan with a UCC, right? Which a loan with a UCC lien is not unsecured. That's a form of collateral. So as one of the advantages of being a small business owner is you can get unsecured financing that doesn't require collateral. But again, as you get larger, you won't be able to do that. And so back to your question, Lisa, when you're separating your personal and business credit and you're a smaller entity of say less than $10 million, less than $1 million, whatever, then you can personally guarantee the repayment of that money. And then if it's structured right with the right lender, you can still keep it off of your personal credit and have that business debt only report to your business credit and not your personal credit.